Want to use GIF from your gallery? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to add GIF from gallery to Instagram story. Let's get started. First, open Instagram. Slide at the right. Select any picture from your gallery. Then tap on sticker icon at the top. As you can see, there are no options to add GIF from your gallery. Now what you can do is open any web browser that you like, then search for any type of GIF that you want to use. Tap on Images, select the one that you like. Now you can either screen record a few loops of it or directly download it by tapping and holding on the image. After you have downloaded, open Instagram again, go back, and select the GIF that you have downloaded. And that is how to add GIF from your gallery to Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.